imagined building your dream house in just a day? Welcome to the realm of 3D printing homes, a revolution that's poised to transform the construction landscape as we know it. This isn't a plot from a sci-fi movie, but the reality of the present day, where technology meets creativity to give birth to architectural marvels. 3D printing homes, or additive manufacturing if you prefer the jargon, is the process of constructing a three-dimensional house from a digital model by laying down successive layers of material. It's not just about speed, though that's certainly a game changer. It's also about affordability and sustainability, giving us the power to build homes faster, cheaper, and greener than traditional methods. Imagine the possibilities. A world where homelessness is a thing of the past, where every person has a roof over their head that they can call their own, all thanks to 3D printing technology. So how does this futuristic technology work? Let's delve deeper. The process of 3D printing homes might sound complex, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's break it down into a few simple steps. First, as with any construction project, it all begins with a design. But instead of drafting blueprints, designers use computer-aided design software to create a digital model of the house. This model is meticulously crafted, with every detail from the floor plan to the layout of individual rooms considered. It's worth noting that the design isn't limited by traditional architectural constraints, allowing for unique and innovative shapes and structures. Once the digital model is finalized, it's time to bring it to life. Here's where the magic of 3D printing comes into play. A large 3D printer, often assembled on site, is used to print the house. This isn't your average desktop 3D printer, mind you. It's a large, sophisticated machine that extrudes a special concrete mixture, layer by layer, following the digital blueprint precisely. The printer doesn't just lay down layers of concrete in a haphazard fashion. It's a carefully controlled process, with each layer meticulously planned and executed.